Have you ever struggled to speak or write in English after years of study? Many face this challenge. The issue may not be your ability, but the method you use to learn. Traditional methods can be ineffective. Endless memorization often leads to forgetting when it matters most. There is a better way to learn. Imagine mastering high-level vocabulary through context rather than rote memorization. This approach is more effective. Using words in real-life situations helps solidify your understanding and retention of vocabulary. In this video, we'll explore how to enhance your English vocabulary effectively and meaningfully. As we delve into vocabulary acquisition, think of everyday experiences and conversations. They become a fertile ground for learning. Imagine walking in a park and overhearing someone describe a tree as majestic. This sparks a connection to the grandeur of nature. In the same park, you encounter a young artist sketching. She uses vibrant to describe her palette, enriching your understanding. These interactions demonstrate how context can cement vocabulary in your mind, making learning organic and enjoyable. Next, consider the power of storytelling. When someone shares their journey of overcoming adversity, it leaves a lasting impact. Think of your favorite books or films. Words in context have a memorable way of embedding themselves in your mind. Every astute observation made can lead to deeper debates, enhancing how you perceive the world and articulate your thoughts. As your vocabulary grows, so does your confidence in communication. You start expressing nuances, like ardent instead of passionate. Engagement with varied linguistic environments, like cultural events, can become a vibrant tapestry for new word acquisition. Every experience, whether joyful or challenging, is an opportunity to expand your vocabulary and express emotions more vividly. Reflecting on these encounters, it becomes clear that mastery of language is a journey enriched by life itself. Now, equipped with this understanding, we can embrace a more impactful way to expand our vocabulary with purpose. With this new understanding, we turn to how words interact with our lives. We will explore the method of associating words with imagery and context. Consider the word illuminate. It's not just a term, it's about bringing light to an idea, enriching our conversations. To deepen this understanding, we delve into the world of adjectives. These words provide color to our descriptions. Imagine using adjectives like vibrant or serene. They help paint a picture, making our language more expressive. This practice not only enriches vocabulary, but connects us with our emotions and experiences. Next, we explore verbs that convey action. They are the engine of our sentences, driving our stories forward. Think of verbs like discover or create. Each choice sparks a different narrative, calling forth unique emotions. Through association, we can create vivid images in our minds, enhancing both comprehension and retention. By categorizing words into verbs and adjectives, we begin to recognize patterns, making learning intuitive. The act of categorization also helps us recall words when needed, a vital skill in communication. As we practice, we can start to combine these words, crafting sentences filled with depth and clarity. The interplay of words leads to powerful expressions, revealing our thoughts and feelings genuinely. Engagement with vocabulary is more than mechanical. It's about living the words in daily scenarios. Consider storytelling. Every encounter, each experience can be a tale waiting to be told with rich vocabulary. Sharing these stories allows for a communal growth in vocabulary, spreading knowledge and insights. As we relate our experiences through well-chosen words, we create shared meanings and memories. This interactive approach invites others into our narratives, bridging gaps between individuals and cultures. To illustrate further, let's examine a moment when an imaginative verb transforms a dull sentence into vibrancy. When we replace walk with stride, the movement becomes more confident, vividly changing the perception. This transition from simple to elaborate showcases the power words have to shift tone and intent. Through associations like these, every word becomes a tool for creativity, enabling personal expression. As we embrace techniques of repetition and association, we unlock new potentials in communication. Ultimately, this journey is about more than vocabulary. It's about connection, expression, and understanding. Let us move forward, equipped with words as our allies, engaging deeply and purposefully with language. As we journey forward, we delve deeper into language's transformative power. By dissecting vocabulary, we discover the richness of expression. The importance of context arises. Words woven into stories ignite imagination, making communication vivid and impactful. We then explore the various connotations words carry. Each choice can shape perceptions and influence understanding. Engaging in exercises enhances retention. Through repetition, the vocabulary ingrains itself, becoming part of our toolkit. Soon, we engage in storytelling. Sharing our narratives allows us to connect through personal experiences and insights. As our narratives intertwine, we begin to see patterns emerge. Language truly becomes a bridge across diverse experiences. Concept of tone introduces itself. Our word choices not only convey meaning, but also hint at our emotions and intent. Discussion flourishes as peers share interpretations. Each perspective enriches our understanding, creating a more complex dialogue. We practice adapting our vocabulary to different situations, understanding how language can be a chameleon, ever-shifting. The power of metaphors becomes evident. They enrich our language, allowing us to explore concepts beyond their literal meanings. Empowerment through language culminates in a newfound confidence. We are equipped to express ourselves thoughtfully and clearly. As we conclude this act, let's reflect on the impact of our words. Together, we've opened the door to exceptional communication. As we reflect on our journey, consider the words that shaped our growth. Each vocabulary choice resonates deeply within us. Mastering English opens doors to countless opportunities. Let's explore the significance of understanding word categories. Nouns, verbs, adjective. Siak plays a vital role in effective communication. Their connections are essential. Reflect on the progress you've made. How does mastering these elements change your daily conversations? Consider the power of your voice as you continue to learn. Each word you say can empower others. If this journey has inspired you, subscribe and join us for more lessons. Your path to fluency is just beginning.